A core feature of successful MTSS systems is a program or school-based team that meets often, communicates to all stakeholders, and implements practices based on need. This team plays a vital role in supporting students' academic, behavioral, and social-emotional needs. Let's explore how you can build or refine your MTSS team. Define the purpose of the team. Align goals to the mission and vision of the program or school. The team will establish multi-year action plans based on assessments such as the TFI or the BOQ. The team should be accessible and listen to feedback and concerns from all stakeholders. Create or review a process for communicating decisions and information, such as details regarding behavior lesson plans, acknowledgement systems, and other information that impact the culture and climate of the school. Determine who should be a part of the team. Consider the following. An administrator has the ability to implement changes and make adjustments at the building level. For example, changing the schedule or purchasing a specific intervention curriculum. The presence of the administrator sends the message that the work of the team is prioritized and valued. The teacher spends a substantial amount of time with the students and can speak to the daily routines and interactions. The counselor can provide individual student perspective and may be able to offer some school-wide insights. These are just a few of the key members. Consider the expertise of your team. You might include other staff members, such as intervention or behavior specialists. Ensure you have a diverse group with varied perspectives and knowledge related to the needs of the student population. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of each team member, outlining their specific contributions to the team. These roles may include team leader, note taker, data analyst, and a timekeeper. This will depend on the needs of your program. Roles may shift, and that's okay. The important thing is that there is a team approach and not just one person bearing all the responsibility. Set up a schedule to often discuss student progress, intervention strategies, incentives, and other relevant topics. These meetings should be scheduled well ahead of time and when all team members are available. Encourage team members to share and analyze student data. Look to identify trends and patterns and areas for improvement. Data should drive decision-making and intervention strategies. Implement evidence-based interventions. Utilize strategies that align with the needs of students. For example, perhaps the data is indicating aggressive behaviors increasing at dismissal time. The team can put into action strategies to implement more structure at dismissal. This could include staggering times and increasing acknowledgments and behavior-specific feedback at this time of the day. Continuously monitor student progress and evaluate the effectiveness of the interventions and adjustments. This could include ensuring fidelity of implementation. For example, if increasing acknowledgments was the action item, ensure that this was implemented prior to determining if it had an impact. Provide professional development and offer opportunities for your team to grow in their knowledge, expertise, and skills related to MTSS. This could include sharing short articles or videos such as this one, bringing in speakers, or attending workshops and conferences. If you already have a team, take some time to reflect on their effectiveness. Are the right people in the right places? Does everyone have a voice? Is the information communicated to all? Building a successful MTSS team requires collaboration, flexibility, and a commitment to meeting the diverse needs of your student population. Thank you for joining us today for Pop-Up Practices, where practice makes progress.